Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna hop on this Camaro. I've already started doing a little bit of work on it because I'm just trying to get ready to take this bumper apart. So y'all really don't know what's about to go on. So today we're putting in some HIDs on this Camaro. So that involves taking off the headlights. So that means I got to take off the bumper to get to the headlights. Come on, Chevy, you got to do better than that. Ford, you can take the headlights off without taking the bumper off. But we ain't worried about that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. So we got a lot of work to do, so let's go ahead and let's get to it. Bam, Camaro looking really good with the nice matching colored rims of the car. Very tasteful, looks very good. So you know it's the SS for sure. And I heard that there's a supercharger coming on here. So guys, y'all might want to stay tuned to the channel. I might be doing the work, I don't know. But y'all stay tuned to the channel so show you guys how to hook up a supercharger. But anyway, we're starting right here today. We're about to pop off this front bumper, and then tails are getting these little grommets out right here, using this little guy right here. And all we're doing is sticking it under here. Bam, easy. And like this week is like one of those weeks that I have so much work to do, and I just don't want to do none of it. I know y'all probably had that issue of going to work, but I own my work, so I'm here working at work. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you up on hyperlapse so we can go ahead and get this thing rocking and rolling, get this bumper off. So here go the HIDs right here. They're color changing. It's pretty cool with the remote, flash, strobe, fade, smooth. So, and it's the RGB, got all the different colors. And here's the little ring. Now, one thing I'm trying to figure out is, I probably won't be able to know this until I get in there. This thing already has HIDs on it. So, therefore, I might have to go over top of this. Not sure. I hope I can go in the inside of it, would be great, but I don't know. So we won't be able to tell until we actually get this bumper off and get the headlights apart to see that. Okay, finally got this bumper loose. This has to be one of the most challenging bumpers I ever had to take apart, just because if you can see this screw here and this one is stuffed all the way inside of here. You have to pull this wheel guard down, and I can't even get the camera in there to show you, but it's very tight up here in this area. So now we got it all ready to come off. So let's get it off, pop the headlights out, and then we'll take them, put them in the oven, get the lenses taken off, and then install the lights. So now, as you see, the front bumper been painted before. It left the coloring on the headlights. So there have been some paint work done on this car, but that's not what we're here for. We're gonna go ahead and remove these 7mm screws, these two here, and I think we got one here, and then the headlights will be ready to pop out, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, so I got the headlights here at the house, and so now we're about to turn on the stove, put it on 350. So then we're gonna pop these inside so we can go ahead and get these lenses off. And then we can put the rings in and then put everything back. So the reason we put it inside the oven is to break the glue that's around that seals the lights, and then once that's done, we can pop them off and then put the headlights back together. So what I like to do is move this up to the middle tray, because you're not trying to cook the lights. You're just trying to bake it just enough to get off the glue. So I'm gonna do one of these one at a time to get these off, and then I will be working on the other one to get it ready. Oh, now I got the headlight in, the headlight in. So now I'm gonna leave it in for about a good 10 minutes before I check it. But make sure you check it periodically because this thing can get heated up really quick. Get all the glue off around. It's gonna be a little difficult, but this is what it looks like after you pop that cherry off. And right here, we need to remove all of these screws because this is gonna get us to the halo part is where we're gonna add the halos at. So here's the inner part of the headlight on the Camaro. And we're gonna get ready to take this off. And then rings are inside. And that's where we're gonna attach the HIDs at. Now that I got both of these apart, again, I gotta take all these screws loose right here to get to the rings itself. And then I'm gonna install the new rings and put them in. So let's go ahead and let's get these over to the shop. Let's get this done and everything put back together and put the bumper on. So let's go ahead and install the new halo rings. Just like that, I already got these things set up just to do a test before I enclose them. Always test them before you enclose it back into its housing, because if not, you never know, something might happen. They might not work, and then you'll be hurt that they're not working right. So as you see, I can change different colors, the fade, which both of them looks good. This has it's RGB, so you can change all the green colors, and then it has tons of colors from the remote, even yellow. Bam. So right here. So let's go ahead and get this thing, get these two sandwiched back together, and then we'll get ready to stick them back in the car. Okay, so I got both headlights ready to go back in. On this one, I just got tape here because what I like to do is to put silicone in here. This one was pulling out a little bit, so I got silicone in here to hold it tighter together. And all I like to do is just run silicone all the way around it just to be safe that it doesn't leak at all with any water or anything that gets inside. So let's go ahead and get these things popped in, wired up, bumper on, you know, all that good stuff. All right, guys, here she is. She is all finished. So let the light show begin. Bam! There you go. Got the green, got the red. It's like Baskin Robbins, baby. We got 21 flavors. We got orange. We got all these colors. There's this pure white. That's not white. That's yellow. Look at all those colors. Yes, and it also has flashing, which that's super fast though, and you could actually turn it up and down by the remote, just like that. You got strobe, in which you also speed the strobes up as well. I'm actually very impressed with this kit right here. Actually, you can find this on Amazon or eBay. Very simple to install. It does take some time and a little common sense to get it on, but that red though, that red on red, this is the color. Woo! She's beast. Y'all hit me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this beauty right here. She looking mean now. Those nice little angel eyes in there. Looking very magnificent. Magnificent. So boom, so guys, this one's ready to be dropped off to the customer now. All right, guys, that is it for this video. The Camaro is completely finished. Hoping that the customer will really like this. So guys, she back here looking super mean right now. But if you haven't done so already, go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram and the link is in the description below. And like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.